Hey guys, and today we're going to be building our own bulk publishing tool that you can use to produce a lot of content or use as a programmatic SEO machine. And this is going to be a 4-step process. We'll first generate keywords, then we'll set up our website connection, generate content, and finally publish it and make it so this is as repeatable as possible. So stay tuned. Hey guys, and welcome to the Scale. And as I said, the first step is going to be keyword generation. But before that, we need to find the topics. I'll be using a brand new website that has no articles, which is called detectiondrama.com. This is a test website. I don't think I'll be doing anything with it, but it's in the AI detection niche. So let me find some keywords. I will be using low fruits, which is by far my favorite keyword research tool. So instead of typing in something like AI detection, I want to be more programmatic. So I'll be choosing access instead of analyzing all, and I'll show you why in just a minute. Okay, so I had to add AI to detection because I want these kinds of keywords. Keywords like can ChatGPT-5 bypass AI detection, can Perplexity, DeepSeek, Quillbot, Grok, Grammarly. I think this is sufficient for the demonstration purposes, so just 5 keywords. And I won't be analyzing them this time around, although I can. Let me just copy these keywords so I have them on file. Okay, next step, we'll go to Manus. I've created a project, Detection Drama. Same name as my website, you don't have to, but it's just easier. And now I want to do something like, I want you to establish connection with my WordPress website called detectiondrama.com, so I can post from Manus AI directly to WordPress, and I want to post articles with featured images. Okay, a quick check that the website name is correct. Yeah, looks fine to me. I'll help you establish a connection. To set up, I need some information. WordPress admin URL. What is the admin URL? Yes, that's the one. I'll need your WordPress admin credentials to authenticate and application password. Okay, let me do the first 3. I'll just confirm that this is correct. Let me go for my password WordPress username. It's typically stored under users. So this is it. And I'll blur it out. It's under the username. And now you have a choice. You can give Manus full access to your website through login and password, or you can create an application password, which is what I would recommend. Now, typically, application password resides under profile at the bottom. I'm using Hostinger, and Hostinger disables those by default. So if you're using Hostinger as well, you need to go to the tools and then click off disable application passwords. Now, if I go back to profile, under users and scroll all the way down, I now have this new application password name. So let me do something like Manus AI, add application password, and this is gonna be our password, which I will provide to Manus, and I'll just say test the connection first. I need one more piece of information. What is your WordPress password? Also, just to clarify, is the application password you provided already created? Use the application password already created. I'm now testing the connection to your WordPress, so I'm not giving Manus my password. Let's see what happens. The REST API is working perfectly and you have full administrator privileges. Now I create a comprehensive posting integration script that will allow you to post articles with featured images directly from Manus to your WordPress site, and that's what we want. Great, the WordPress integration is working, the article posting is successful. And if we go to posts, we can see that now I have 3 articles as drafts. So let's take a look. So this is a draft article that Manus tested our connection with. And these 2 are tests as well. I want you to create a test article with just 100 words with a nano banana image as a featured image. I want you to upload it because I want to see how the featured image looks like on WordPress. And since Manus is a multi-modal LLM, it is capable of producing both text and images, and this is what it's doing right now. Okay, the image has been generated. Now it's giving us full rundown. The article was posted, but the featured image upload timed out due to large file size. Let me try uploading the featured image separately using WordPress Media Upload. Then update the post to attach it. Okay, we should see our test article now, this one here. And this is indeed an article with a featured image. Okay, so let me quickly switch this to draft. Now, what I'll do is as follows. Okay, I will give you several keywords and I want you to create SEO optimized, extremely researched and factual articles that are following the best practices for SEO optimization and also a traditional H1, H2, H3 structure. And I want you to create a featured image, relevant featured image for each of those articles, compress it before uploading. And once everything is written, I want you to bulk upload them as drafts onto WordPress. And these are going to be our keywords. And let's see what happens. Okay, so Manus has concluded. So let's take a look. This one is can ChatGPT bypass AI detection? This is our featured image. Okay. Can ChatGPT truly bypass AI detection? This is on a shorter side, but this is actually to be expected from these programmatic type of articles. And I could have obviously specified that I wanted a 1000 word article min, stuff like that. But this is fully working. And I love the featured image. Now we need this to become a repeatable process, so we don't have to go through this entire thing every single time. So what Manus can do is turn anything, by anything I mean all of your successful generations, into skills. So what you can do is turn this into a repeatable skill for this very website and for this website only, so that if I ask you to generate a new article or attach a new article, you will be able to publish it as draft with no problem, without going through the motions of setting everything up from scratch. I'll create a readable skill specifically for publishing articles to detection drama. Okay, accept. And this is loading a skill creator. By the way, if you like these types of workflows, they're going to be published into my school community, which besides my flagship search gap method, which is a full-on course that allows you to rank in 24 to 48 hours, has a rapid ranking system, which is an additional keyword research module. Then I teach you how to write multimedia articles, choose your niches, outrank your local competition, you get access to custom tools, and also these kinds of workflows are going to be posted here under Best AI Workflows. Okay, I've created a repeatable skill specifically for publishing articles to detection drama. The skill will now be available automatically whenever you need to publish content to your WordPress site. Well, the skill includes scripts, credentials, features, how to use it. From now on, you can simply say publish this article to detection drama, and I will automatically use the skill, generate featured images, optimize and upload. Okay, so I need to add this to my skills. Beautiful. And to double check, let's go to the settings, skills, and now we have this skill enabled. So let's test it out. Let's open up a completely new task. I want you to write me a well-researched 2000-word article about does Agility Writer AI pass AI detection. I want this to follow a standard H1 to H2 to H3 structure, have a featured image and an infographic all using Banana, and I want you to publish it as draft to my detectiondrama.com website. Do you understand? Okay, let me fix the spelling, not writer, but writer. Okay, let's see what happens. Understood. I will research whether Agility Writer AI passes AI detection. Let's see if this is gonna trigger the skill after this is done writing the article. Okay, I'm ready to create the featured image title, infographic title. Does this approach work for you? Okay, great. I'm now generating the featured image and infographic using Banana. This will take a moment. And as you can see, this is generating both the featured image and the infographic. Beautiful. Okay, and as you can see, this is now loading the skill called Detection Drama Publisher. Even though I did not explicitly say use Detection Drama Publisher, it understood by context. Okay, so the article is ready. Let's take a look. This is our featured image. Does Agility Writer AI pass AI detection? Okay, this is a much longer article. Okay, this is our infographic. This should be an easy fix. Okay, so the article looks okay. So let's see if we can actually edit the infographic. And I believe if we convert to blocks, everything should resolve itself. Yeah. Hence, we are publishing as drafts. So let's view this once again. Yeah, Looks very nice. And this is, guys, how you turn Manus AI into a bulk publishing machine. So we first generated keywords with low fruits. Then we set up the website using our username and application password. Then we generated content. Then we published the content. And then we turned this into a repeatable skill. So now, if I want to continue, I can either go back to my project folder or trigger this new skill in any of the chats that I wish. And once again, this workflow is going to be in my school community under Best AI Workflows. Hope this was helpful, and I wish you luck. Cheers.